Sanitize hands and clean the area to be treated with skin prep, a light tapping for a quick absorption of the product. Start epilation on the frown line by applying the wax from the bottom up. With the tip of the spatula, lift the wax and remove it against the grain in a few pulls. Apply wax to the upper part of the eyebrow and remove it with the same technique, holding the skin taut. Using the precision tip of the spatula, apply the wax under the brow, only following excess hair of the arch. Remove wax through several pulls, holding the skin taut. Apply a small amount of Folly Clear, followed by Skin Protect.